Good morning guys! So third day tayo ng ating Tokyo trip. So we're here at the Meiji Shrine, ayan, at my back. So dito muna tayo. So kasama pa rin to sa tour natin na in-avail, no? Bumaba tayo pinick up tayo from our hotel, then dinrop na lang tayo dito. So tara explore natin what's inside the Meiji Shrine. Kung ano yung mga makikita natin dito bukod dyan sa Torii Gates na yan. And afterwards, let's see kung saan pa tayo dadali ng tour natin for today. Tara samahan niyo ako explore natin ang Meiji Shrine and iba pang mga tourist attractions or destinations here in Tokyo. Meiji Shrine, also known as Meiji Jinku, is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, and it was built to honor their spirits and contributions to modernizing Japan. The entrance to the shrine is marked by a massive torii gate made from 1,500 years old cypress wood, symbolizing the transition from the mundane to the sacred. It is surrounded by a large forested area covering about 170 hectares, providing a serene escape from the busy city. Meiji Shrine is one of the most visited shrines in Japan, especially during the New Year's period or Hatsumode, when millions of people come together to pray for good fortune. The shrine hosts several traditional events and festivals throughout the year, including the traditional Shinto weddings, which are common sights at the shrine. Next stop, Ueno. We're here at the Amyokocho na kung saan ang lively market street sa Ueno na sobrang daming street foods, clothes, and souvenirs na mabibili dito. Searching for tanghulu, meron yan dito. Ichigo ame ang tawag ng mga Japanese dito. Lunch is included sa tour and packages na in-avail natin dito sa Japan. Sobrang sulit. Ano pa nga ba, nandito na tayo sa Japan? E di itry na natin itong Japanese Wagyu na it melts in your mouth at sobrang fresh ng mga meats. Cheers! Cheers!
Natakaw ba? Bakit ba?
Nangintay ka lang. Hayop.
Usually kami na lang naiwan doon sa kaya na namin bang?
Sobrang gulo. Filipino ay sobrang gulo.
Pero masaya. pero kahit masaya, wala man lang ako video, nakakalawa.
My God.
Busy ang lolo.
Tingnan yung pagkain namin. Diyos ko. So guys, that's our lunch here in Ueno, Ogyugatsu. Ngayon pupunta tayo, napakagulo dito para sa isang malaking divisoria. Ganun siya. No, na puro mga kainan, shoppingan. So kung gusto nyong mag-shopping, bumili ng mga souvenirs like dito kayo pumunta sa Amyokocho sa Ueno. Pero ngayon pupunta muna tayo sa park kasi sobrang daming people. Yun yung gagawin natin. After eating our scrumptious lunch, let's take a relaxing walk dito sa Ueno Park na sobrang ganda ng view, perfect place to chill and reflect. Kaya if you visit Tokyo, make sure to drop by sa Ueno Park. Walking around Ueno Park, you'll be greeted by the stunning sight of yellow leaves, especially during autumn. Missing out the orange torii gates of Kyoto? Meron din yan dito. At habang naglalakad ka, makikita mo rin ang iba't ibang street artists and performers. Marami nagper-perform dito ng live musics, nagdo-drawing, at may mga nagpapakita ng iba't ibang talento tulad ng juggling at magic tricks, and its lively and artistic atmosphere adds to the charm of the park. Hi guys! So ang ating next destination after natin Ueno, dito tayo ngayon sa Odaiba. So makikita natin dito ngayon si Gangnam. Show! That's it? Our tour ended at Odaiba at 7 p.m. at dahil maaga pa, we want to make sulit our time here in Tokyo. Last stop natin for today, we're going to Shibuya. We're taking a train to get there. A 3-minute walk lang from our hotel, train station na. Shibuya is a perfect for night owls. With all the neon lights and busy street, it's the heart of Tokyo's nightlife. Ang Shibuya Crossing ang pinaka-iconic na lugar dito. Sobrang daming tao. At sabay-sabay tumatawid sa intersection na parang isang perfectly choreographed scene at isang experience ito na you shouldn't miss.
The next day.
Hi guys! Good morning! So for today's activity natin dito sa Tokyo is pupunta tayo ng Disneyland and mag-iikot tayo sa Shinjuku mamayang gabi. Pero for today, meron tayong reservation sa Bill, so magbe-breakfast muna tayo sa Ginza. Tara, samahan niyo ako and explore natin yung happiest place on earth na dito matatagpuan lang sa Japan, yung Disney Sea. I-check din natin siya mamaya. So tara na! It's gonna be a long day. Samahan niyo ako. From our hotel, we will walk 3 minutes to the train station going to Ginza. We will use our Icoca card to access all the train station here in Tokyo. So guys, yung makakasama po tayong tour guide. Personal tour guide is ako lang Ngayon, hi Chaji!
Konnichiwa.
Diba? Ano po yan, pinay ko yan. Kaklase ko siya nung college. So, siya yung mag-iikot sa atin dito sa Tokyo. Buti na lang marami tayong mga collections. Nakakatipid tayo. Charis.
Number 1 yun, connection.
Oh, mag-shoutout ka sa mga taga-Pinas.
Shoutout sa inyo dyan, mabuhay kayo.
Touchdown Ginza! 5 station away lang ito from our hotel. Ginza is known for its luxury shopping. Makikita mo dito ang mga high-end fashion brands like Hublot, Forla, Louis Vuitton at marami pang iba. Ang Wako Building, na kilala sa kanyang iconic clock tower, ay isa sa pinaka-historic landmarks dito sa Ginza. At dahil long day tayo today, we had our reservation here at Bill's Ginza to eat our breakfast to have energy for the whole day. After eating breakfast, diretso na tayo dito sa Muji, flagship store here in Ginza to buy our pasalubongs. Ito yung pangarap ko nung bata ako.
Natupad na.
Natupad na yung pangarap natin.
Layo mountain. Pindutin mo yung walang pinipindot sa ilalim.
Uy, napapahiya tayo. Ayoko na niya. Kala niyo, ito ba? Ayun. Gagawin natin si Visa. Card. Credit card.
Card.
Tapos,
There.
step.
Sa ilalim.
Ay.
Yan.
Tingnan natin. Go work si credit. Si. Uy, debit yan May pera yan. Huwag niyo ko inaano.
Ayun. Sige. Success.
So, gano'n lang pala kadali ang dito. Sa Pilipinas, bawal yan. Magkakadayaan tayo mga beshi. Ikaw mismo nagpa-punch ng mo. Isa bes walang pinunch. 5 yung kinalagay mo. Dito, honesty is the best policy. Nag-text. Guys, ayan, nag-text na si Gcash. Na-confirm niya na. So, yung binili natin na 2,000 something. 1,000 ang conversion sa Gcash. So, okay na rin. Dito rin sa Ginza, matatagpuan ang flagship store na Nippon made na Onitsuka Tiger. Kapag sinabing Nippon made, it's one of a kind kasi dito lang sa Japan merong pair nun. Yan, so we just bought our Onitsuka Nippon made, guys. Pag Nippon made, ibig sabihin handmade. Tapos dito lang sa Japan meron, and very limited edition. Mahal, pero yon dahil one of a kind, bili tayo nito. Ito na, this is 36,000 yen. So around, kayo ng bag ko. Next stop, Uniqlo Ginza, a 12-story building, flagship stores that offers a unique shopping experience. It's a must-visit for a fashion enthusiast and anyone looking to explore the full breadth of Uniqlo's offering a uniquely Japanese retail environment. Back to our main agenda for today. We're now heading to one of the happiest places on earth, Tokyo Disneyland. So from here, Tokyo Station, we will ride a train from JR Keio Line. Make sure to check the train schedule and platform information sa Tokyo Station para mabilis kang makasakay. This route is the most straightforward and convenient way to get to Tokyo Disneyland from Tokyo Station. Then get off at Maihama Station, which is the nearest station sa Tokyo Disneyland. The travel time is around 15 to 20 minutes. From Maihama Station, it's a short walk to Disneyland. Sundan mo lang ang mga signs at madali mong makikita ang entrance ng Disneyland. Hi guys! We made it!
One eternity later.
After ng isang nakakapagod na Disneyland adventure, we're capping off our night here in Tokyo Skytree. It is tallest structure in Japan, standing at height of 634 meters, and tower is beautifully illuminated, changing its color, making a magical atmosphere, adding up to this year's Christmas vibe. Tokyo Skytree isn't just a tower. This area includes shopping malls, restaurant, and entertainment, so you can shop for souvenirs, enjoy meals, or relax in a cafe. The best way to wrap our Japan trip is by dining at one of the most famous restaurants in Japan, Gyukatsu Motomura. Gyukatsu is usually served with a shredded cabbage, rice, miso soup, and a dipping sauce. The beef cutlet is often served rare, allowing diners to cook it on a small stone to their preferred level of doneness. Gyukatsu offers a delicious savory experience, and if you're a fan of beef, it's definitely a dish worth trying. Why I keep coming back to Japan? Because it's a beautiful all year round. Not only because of its changing seasons, the politeness and hospitality of the Japanese, a food paradise country, but also there's always something to learn and to experience, making it a truly unforgettable travel destination. Arigatou gozaimasu!